Welcome to CloudShare, the solution that helps you manage all your web content in one place. In this video, you'll share an item and a collection using the web app and the mobile app. When you save a link with CloudShare, we call it an item. An item is a bookmark or any resource with a URL, such as a web page, an image, a video, or a document. To share an item using the web app, locate the item you want to share and click Share. Next, select the contacts you want to share the item with. You can search for contacts, add new contacts, or select them from your contacts list. Then click Share. Your contacts will receive an email with the details of the shared item and a notification of the request in their CloudShare inbox. They can either accept or decline the share request. Sharing an item in the mobile app is just as easy. Simply left swipe the item you want to share and tap Share. Next, select the contacts you want to share the item with and tap Send. They'll get an email with the details of the shared item and receive a notification of the share request in their CloudShare inbox. They can either accept or decline the request. Now let's look at sharing a collection. A collection is a group of items. It's like a folder to put related items into. You share a collection the same way you share an item. The difference with sharing a collection is that when your contacts receive the share request, they can accept or decline the entire collection or choose specific items to accept or decline. It's easy to share items and collections with CloudShare. CloudShare. Collect, organize, collaborate.